Welcome to our lesson about the Polygon tool. A polygon is essentially a closed profile where each side is equal in length. Let's begin by activating the Polygon tool. It's a subtool of the Rectangle tool. The first step is to enter the number of sides. Let's enter 6 and press Enter. Now we specify the center point, either with a click in the drawing area or let's enter coordinates, 10, 10, Enter. Now we choose the type of polygon, whether inscribed or circumscribed. Let's right-click and select Inscribed in Circle. Just like it sounds, when inscribed, a polygon is created inside an imaginary circle, its sides having tangency to that circle. Circumscribed means the polygon is created outside the imaginary circle. Lastly, we select the radius of the circle, 5, Enter. Now I'm going to create 2 circles to demonstrate the difference between the inscribed and circumscribed types of polygons. Let's create a 3-point circle. First point, second point, and third point. Here's an example of the inscribed polygon where the polygon is created inside a circle. Let's activate the tangent, tangent, tangent circle method. Select our 3 points of tangency. And now the circle's inside the polygon, making this a circumscribed polygon where the polygon is created around an imaginary circle. Let's create another polygon. Activate the tool. Input the number of edges, let's say 8, Enter. Now we need to select a center point or edge endpoint. Let's try the edge. Right-click, scroll down to Edge and select it. Left-click to specify the first endpoint of the edge. The second left-click sets the second endpoint of the edge and creates the polygon. And this concludes our tutorial about the Polygon tool.